To use your Assurance wireless phone as a hotspot, you first need to be eligible for the Lifeline program. This requires meeting income requirements, such as under $38,000 for a family of four, or participating in programs like Medicaid, SNAP, or SSI. Your phone must also support hotspot tethering. For the hotspot feature, you'll need a data plan. Options include a basic data plan for $10 per month with 2 gigabytes of LTE data, or an unlimited talk and text plus data plan for $15 per month with 22 gigabytes of high-speed data before deprioritization. Remember, using a hotspot counts toward your plan's data limits. Setting up your hotspot is usually straightforward. On Android, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and Tethering. On iOS, it's Settings, Personal Hotspot. Turn the hotspot on, set a strong password, WPA2 is recommended, and connect your other devices. Keep in mind that Assurance Wireless supports a limited number of connected devices. Monitor your data usage through the Assurance Wireless app to avoid overage charges. Security is important to prevent unauthorized access. Also, be aware that hotspot speeds may vary, especially during peak hours or if you're approaching your data cap.